Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to disable text selection feature using CSS in website. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. Now on screen you see text. Now select and copy. So we are going to disable it. Now go to customize section CSS. So we are going to add some CSS. Now add. Now you see HTML and then you see user select none. So you will find this CSS in video description or in comment section, and you can use this CSS for PHP, HTML, WordPress website. Now click on publish. Now go to web page and refresh the page. Now on screen you see text selection disable but link working, and you can disable copy text in PHP, WordPress or HTML website. Just add this CSS, HTML, user select none. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.